There are some things I want to change with my content. One of them is I want to work on my voice. I wanna have a smoother sounding voice. I don't know how to do it, but I wanna work on like tonal control or something, you know? I feel like I'm so squeaky. Kinda like raspy and stuff. Dad, if I could kidnap somebody's voice and just like take their voice box and shove it into my voice. More lisp or bust! Yeah, I need to work on my lisp too. I'd love Gura, Nyanner's, or Mume's voice. I think those three have like the best sounds, you know? But the voice private! Oh, you're nice to me. I'm very squeaky, I feel like. I wanna sound smooth as honey. That didn't sound very smooth. I like your squeak. I don't like my squeak! I don't like my squeak! We like your voice though, you sound great. I feel like I sound really annoying. I'm missing a front tooth and a back left tooth. And I sound like a goddamn idiot trying to speak. Ride horses! No. 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 I sound like a goddamn idiot.
Whoops.
What? I did not shoot that! Lisp! I got no fucking lisp! Shut up! Ooh. Wow! Oh, fuck off! Yeah! My our Messiah hath returned, all praise be. Holy shit, chat! Ah! Oh! God! Oh my god! I love these videos. I miss Pippa. Ooh, where did Pippa go? Ooh, she left me behind at the dentist office. Ooh, she never came back. Ooh. Pippa, can we get a yeehaw? Yeehaw! Christ, did they turn off your redneck inhibitors while they were in there? Shut up!
Subscribe to So Zazed. The CIA used a nerve agent, probably VX, in an attempt to silence the world-renowned VTuber editor who is still recovering from the attack.